And we're back. How are you doing, everybody? Welcome to Friday afternoon. Oh, finally. How's everyone doing out there? Welcome to my show. It's Uncle Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce. Nice to see you all. Glad you could join me today to close out the week, the last hour of trading on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, American Stock Exchange, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. We're shutting her down, baby. We're shutting her down for another week. And if we have enough to talk about, I'll even hang out for a second hour. I don't know if we'll have enough to talk about in the second hour. I'm not sure what's going on here. The Dow is down 175 points at this point in time. This might be, if this Dow can climb another 30, 40 points, will be the high point of the day since this morning. It's been just a lousy afternoon, unfortunately. There was a bit of an uptick and then another down drop, and now it's meandering back to maybe coming around. S&P down 26. It's sad. NASDAQ is down 99.9. Let's call it 100 points on NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is down 0.7 of a percentage point, and S&P is down 0.6 of a point. Now, the Dow is down half a percentage point today. Oil down $1.50, 63.51 is where oil is. So I'm sure you're going to see a 20-cent drop in your gas price tonight at your local gas station. No, you're not. You're not going to see that. That's not going to happen. It never does. It always takes 3 weeks for a penny to come off. It takes 3 minutes for a dollar to be added on. You know how the gas game works. I love it when the politicians say, we're going to announce investigation into gas pricing to consumers. And then about 6 months later, they find there's nothing wrong because they've all been given these massive donations from the super PACs, and they're all fine. It's all good. Just pay the price and shut the hell up. Anyway, there you go. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Nice to have you here. Nice to have you popping by. Say hello to me. GameStop, 174.72 down at $1.47. We have been as high as 180.81 since I last saw you, but unfortunately around, 12:30 this afternoon, we topped out. And we've been slumping back ever since, unfortunately. And it's just been like a slow, tiny move, a little blip higher, and then another move down, a blip higher. It's terrible. The volume, 3.5 million shares. I mean, let's not get excited here, kids. There's nothing to get excited about. There's nothing much going on today, being a Friday. I guess that's okay. It is a Friday. Not much to be excited about. Maybe Monday we're going to be busy with news out of GameStop and everybody else. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. We'll hope for the best. Just got a new member that popped in here. We have Sefedin 1984. New member. Thank you for joining this channel. That is absolutely fantabulous. And I welcome you aboard the Uncle Bruce Express. What can I say? Josip Eljugia J.E. is here. J.E., thank you for the $2 donation. At one point, crude oil was negative $50. That's right. It was negative 50. Please take the oil off my hands, and no one could do it. Unbelievable. That was wacky. Happy Friday all is right, Larry. You got it. This is what we're talking about. Diet Dr. Pepper here. Okay. A GME, very low volume. Yes. It is so quiet. What can I tell you guys? Games engaged. The drinking game has started on Stock Markets with Bruce. And it's Friday. And so everyone is monitoring what I say and how I say it and what I say. And all depending on what it is I mention, the contest is on. So, guys, having fun here. Drink a minute for an hour. I did that in college with beer. Oh, man. Smash that like button, says Eric. Bruce, I am digging the red shirt Friday. I can feel it now. GameStop will rise today. There you go. I kind of like this, the look of this shirt. Definitely very bright in a color, and the logo looks fantastic. Kind of wearing it kind of crooked like, but yeah, it's kind of neat, isn't it? And I got the mug to match. How about that? So we got the Stock Markets with Uncle Bruce mug and the shirt going here at the same time. Pretty spanky. And just head on over to the RedBubble store. The link is down below. And hey, thank you for all of you who picked these up. These are absolutely just gifts from heaven every time you guys order these. Thank you. Let's see. Buy and hold just meant I drank the day of and felt horrible the next day. Okay, looking dashing in your head, Bruce. Welcome, Bruce. Hello from Apple Valley, California. Larry Lewis, buddy. How you doing, man? Welcome. Bagel Gang Unite. That's right. Bagel Gang Unite is right. You can't mess with us. We're tough. Oh, man. What can I say? Uncle Bruce, but there is, just say the words. Just say the words. I wish I knew which ones you wanted. You could, maybe send me super chat and I'll say the words. Yeah. He's always begging for money, this guy. You can't trust a guy like this. Colin, weather is absolutely perfect outside here today. Hope your weather is good where you are. Kind of overcast and cloudy. Going to be around 60-something today, but you know what? We'll take it. It's still, late April. Anyway, there you have it all. Sefedin, you're being welcomed here. Welcome. Hi, everybody. Bruce, what price will SoFi be on June the 18th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time? It'll be exactly at this price. Hang on, let me make a phone call to a hedge fund because they owe me all kinds of money because I get paid by hedge funds, as you know. Yes. What will the price be? Oh man, why didn't Amazon split? I don't know. I can't tell you. Maybe an announcement will still come down the line. Maybe it'll be announced at a board meeting. Maybe it'll be announced at I don't know. But nothing has been done. So what can I say? No word on a stock split on Amazon. No word on a stock split on Google. That's it. What can I say? They're just not doing it. Anyway. Welcome, and thank you all for being here. Red is a good color for Uncle Bruce. There you go. Yeah, that red shirt does look good. Bruce, do you look? Did you look at the rules on Discord? I glanced at the rules on Reddit. I saw it on Reddit. There, it was posted on the was it a sub page for Stock Markets with Bruce? I think I saw it there, or saw it something like that there. Y'all would stay stone cold sober. Bruce started speaking in French right now. There's definitely a Miami Vice vibe going on here. I need to get on a cruise ship, and I need to get on a cruise ship now, but it's not happening now. But boy, I sure would love to be on a cruise ship. Bruce, is it true that if a squeeze happens, shorts will have to buy the stock whatever price, and actually the computer does it to balance the books, and they'll buy it at whatever price it's trading at? Almost. It's kind of like that. It's possible that, let's say, for example, an account had to be bought in for 100,000 shares because of a short squeeze or a margin call or whatever, and they had to be, well, not a margin call, but they had to be bought in. All right. It's possible that the desk trader handling the trade will enter a buy order with a limit. And like say the market right now is trading at 174.66. The trader might put in a limit of 179.94 or 179.99, trying not to run it over 180, and so that as to not cause a print notification where people go, oh, it's 180, it's 180. He'll only buy it at 175, 179.99, something like that. The thinking is too, and the knowledge of these traders is such that the desk trader has to buy 100,000 shares now, and the desk trader looks at the sell side on level 2 and beyond, and can tell the manager who's telling him to buy 100,000 shares. He can say, "I see 30,000 available up to 179.99, and at 180 I see 6,000 shares, and after that I see only 5,000 shares to 185. So like we aren't even going to get 40,000 shares." Just so you know, if we walk in there right now with market buys, we're getting 40,000 at up to 185. That's $10 from now, and we're only at 40,000. We still need 60, and by the time we get there, all the computers all around us, with every trade desk in every hedge fund all around town, the alerts will go off, and they will have all kinds of guys watching the screens going, what's going on? And then they're going to realize, someone's being bought in, you can tell. And then people just start buying everything between 185 to 190 to 195 to 200. And the next order this guy gets in, if he does do it in a staged way, he might start buying at 200 again. So the house is sitting there going, we need 100,000 and we need 100,000 now. How do we do it without letting the world know we want it? And they just try to buy it up to 176 and then wait a minute or two and hope 10 or 15,000 more show up between 175 and 176 and 177, and they buy up 10 of the 15,000. and then wait a minute or two and just hope that they can play possum and just, try to suck in sellers. But you folks know how this works. If you've been around with me a little while, you kind of know that that's not how it happens. You don't get a lot of stock coming in. And on a Friday afternoon, if it were to happen now, where do you think stock's coming from on a Friday afternoon? Most brokers are already half looped. Most clients are already out of it. Who's watching this with any intent? I mean, it's the last hour of the day. But look, Monday morning, first thing, there could be buy orders for 4 million shares of GameStop from, distressed sources where they have to buy it. Well, great. That stock would be 200, 220 in no time. Just so you know. But yeah, it could be almost a market type scenario. It could be ugly. Maybe the desk trader is given some discretion for like an hour or two, but after that, the managers come in and say, "Forget about it. We can't be nice guys anymore. Just buy them in." And sorry, we just got to buy them in. I don't know. I don't want to be on the wrong side of that trade. I'll tell you right now. I want to be on the right side of this. Hey, have you had a haircut? Well, yeah, I did. I had a haircut. I got a new shirt. I got a new coffee mug. I'm a whole new man. And I want to thank all of you for allowing me to afford to buy myself a shirt and get a haircut, and got myself a mug and was able to fill it with caffeine-free Diet Coke. Thank you, everybody, for all your assistance. You're keeping me on the air, man. You guys are great. I thank you so much. Red is your color, Uncle B. I did not receive my RedBubble order for a month ago. I talked to support, hoping for the best. You should have talked to them sooner, but okay, they'll take care of you. They will take care of you. Anyway, you should make an Uncle Bruce GME merch. I see. Jen, red is a nice color for Uncle Bruce. Thank you. Looking sharp. Are you sure you're not a paid shill? If I were, I might have like a name tag on me, wouldn't I? Like, whatever the company I'm, repping and, whatever. I did get that email. Did you? Some of you guys talked about this earlier in the week about how what was it? I think Andrew More Money and one of the other guys, was it Matt or Max? I can't remember. And another guy got another YouTuber. He got an email from a public company asking if he would like to promote the stock. And I'm using the word promote. They didn't use that word in the email. I got an email offering me an advertising opportunity. I think that's what it was. We'll pay you to advertise it. But I heard that one of the guys was offered $40,000 to push a stock. I have not even responded to the email. Just not for sale in that regard. I'd rather have my freedom just to tell you what I think is going on in plain English rather than be made to talk about certain stock. Oh gosh, no thanks. You need a white blazer with the sleeves rolled up over the red shirt. Shouldn't the shirt have been green though to entice the stock? Maybe I should order a green version. Bill, Bruce, you need a matching hat. You need a cowboy hat, buddy. Oh man. Sal, bagel hands. Tell us about the cat. Tell us about the cat. We have this cat outside the house. It's a stray. It was sort of abandoned and kicked out of a house not too far from here when it was maybe, I don't know, a year old. I don't know. And so we put a little food for it because it was pretty skinny. And we found that the cat was just hanging around the house all the time. Just hanging around the front yard here and just hanging around. And so, you know how cats adopt you. You don't adopt them. Well, this cat is wild. This cat, I can't pick it up. You don't dare try to pick this cat up. And I'm allowed to pet the cat just a little behind the ears, and the cat allows me to do that. But no one else really is really allowed to touch the cat. Jen, a little, just a little, but not for long. And anyway, so we have a bowl of water outside, and we have a little food out there, and now in the heart of the winter, like the worst of it, we had a little doormat, and a towel on top of the doormat, and then the cat would sit on the towel, and then as the evening approached, around 4 in the afternoon, 5 in the afternoon, it started to get dark. We would put a second towel on top of the cat. The cat got used to being covered, and the cat would now burrow in and stay warm. Well, the cat's covered in a fur and designed to handle anything. But we can't let the cat into the house. The cat is not, no way. And, I wouldn't even try to declaw this thing. I mean, you cannot touch this cat. This is not an affectionate, I love you kind of cat. None of that. Although she'll purr a little bit from time to time. But, oh, yeah, you got to be careful with these. And so, just saying, there is a cat on the outside of the house, but it's not a house pet. It's definitely not that. Anyway, I just expect one day to go out and not find her anymore. She'll be gone. Whether she'll be picked off by somebody or something, or some other animal will get her, I don't know. But it's a rough world out there. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Cats are sometimes stray, and that's the way it is. What can I say? It's pouring rain in Austin. Oh no! How can you afford all that RedBubble merch if you aren't a shill? I mean, come on. Yeah, see, I got you, Bruce. Yeah, you making the big bucks now from the shill. You're a shill, and you can afford the fancy dancy clothing. Yeah. Or do I get it at a discount? Oh, crap. I forgot to look at the rules. Apple Valley sounds familiar. San Bernardino-ish. That's right. Michael. Hey, Michael. There's an Apple Valley in Minnesota, too. Right on. Gorilla. 35,000 into 23,000 on MSC. I learned my lesson. Ooh, not good. Apple Valley, Dead Man's Point. That cheating Bruce. Oh, that cheating Bruce. Oh, am I thinking Applewood smoked barbecue? Ooh, I don't know what's going on here. Let's see. You got a point, but that's not the point. Okay, let's move on here. Let's move on. Red looks good on you, Bruce. Red looks good. Let's see. Hi, Bruce. How are you? You've been here twice a day for a while. It's okay to take a break. Oh, thank you, Jeff. I appreciate that. Buy and hold. What's this GameStop chart drawing? Head and shoulders, big flame, hill of future, liftoff. What is it? I don't know what this means. I just finished my beer. Did I win? Wizard, GameStop should just buy AMC and Best Buy. Game over. There you go. Yeah. Maybe you should buy Hertz Rent-A-Car too. Just buy Hertz and buy American Airlines. Become a conglomerate with no synergy between the other businesses. That'd be great. Sir, this is a whiskey bar. I missed you, buddy. Let's see here. I just finished my current beer. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh, one thing I'll mention. I don't think I have to mention to you guys who are messaging me, but for those of you who are just watching me who are not messaging here, I just want to give you a heads up. If any of you guys are commenting on my videos, not here live, but I mean on my past videos, and then once this show goes into the system, you can comment on it, whether you remember or not. Couple of things. I do not respond to any comments on in the comments themselves, because there have been impersonators, Stock Markets with Bruce impersonators who use my image, my name. They've been reported 1 billion times to YouTube. At one point there was a new channel every day being created in my image, and so people didn't know, is that him or is that not? And so I just mentioned to everybody, guys, I'm not doing this. I'm not going to be commenting. So if you get a comment from an Uncle Bruce on any of the comments, it's not from me. All right. So just to let you know, because the only thing I'll do is, if I like what it is you're saying, you might see a little heart pop up that I'll heart like it. But I don't comment on, because I can't guarantee you for sure, that it's really me. And anyway, such as it is. But also, you're probably noticing, and most of you are pretty sophisticated to know, that there are on a number of occasions, there will be messages replying to your message that will seem to try to get you to call them or to contact them. These WhatsApp Bitcoin promoters are everywhere. I do my best to get rid of them. I really do. We fight it hard. We do all we can to eliminate them from existence. But there are millions of them, and the Bitcoin crypto thing is a young person's game, and it is a young person's. There are a lot of great young people out there, but then there are some scumbags, and these guys have endless energy. They've got the ability to stay up 22 hours a day and just go at it. They've got the bot technology to just hit. And if it gets worse, I'll probably just shut the comments down completely, just to shut them all. I'll have to shut it all off. Just so you know, it's not that I don't want your comments. I love your comments. I live for it. But I have to honestly say that we're finding that from time to time we have to spend hours on our comments to delete the hate and delete the attacks and delete the spamming. And YouTube can only do so much, and the rest of it just slips through, and it's really bad. Anyway, I just want you to know, and if you do want to send me a message and you can't, I apologize. It might get to the point where we have to shut it down for a while, just because it is so nasty. And there you have it. People accuse me of trying to just make money on this channel, but by having members here who now are commenting, we have a PG rated comment section. For the most part, it's a pretty good gang here. But compared to what we had a month ago or 2 months ago, it's no comparison anymore. I mean, back in January, it was absolute hatred and filth and threatening messages and just really pathetic stuff. We don't want that here, and those folks can go elsewhere. Please enjoy yourselves on other channels, but not this one. So we're doing all we can to be on top of it, but like I said, I can only do so much. And YouTube will only do so much with respect to restrictions unless I shut it off myself. And so I just want you to know that, that's going on. I know 99% of you know what I'm talking about. So, you're going, I know, Bruce, we know, but I'm talking to the folks who are watching this on a rerun, those who are watching live, who are not members, those who just, happen to pop by and catch the message. Hey, it is what it is. And it's not all pretty. And sometimes it has to be eliminated. But anyway, for now, that's what we got. We'll see what's going on. And again, thank you, those of you who are really going the extra mile to support this channel. Man, I cannot thank you enough. I just cannot thank you enough. And I will keep thanking you. I just will keep doing it. Thank you. All right. He's wearing AMC RED. Oh, my. Well, how is AMC? Oh, gosh. $9.92 on AMC. Sorry. No good news here today, down 28 cents. Sorry to say, $9.92 at just around the low of the day was $9.88 just a few moments ago. 22 million volume on AMC, not pretty. Oh no. Microvision. Oh gosh, $15. It got down to as low as what was that Microvision low? $13.87. So it's come back $1.13. But boy, it's still down $3 a share. 65 million shares, and it's just gotten killed. Yeah, not good. Now, look, Fifth Wall acquisition, Smart Rent, the latest SPAC I've mentioned to you guys, making my favorite wall. It's up 17 cents to 10.87. It's got a nice chart going all day here. 754,000. Not expected to be done until the third quarter. Stock is reacting already, so that's interesting to watch. Other than that, though, IPOE down 30 cents to 17.13. Gore Holdings down 45 cents to 12.67. The rest of them have changed by 3 or 4 cents each. Nothing much going on. Over at Vanek Vectors, surprisingly, down 7.31 for the computer chip stocks. I'm really surprised at the computer chip stocks under pressure because this is a growth area of growth areas. Every industry in the world that needs computer chips are not getting enough. And these guys are the ones who are going to make them. These are the ones who are going to supply the world. And this index is down 729. It just blows my mind that it is under pressure. I'm really surprised. I'm convinced that this ETF will do extremely well this year. This might be a dip for some of you out there who thought you might have missed a bit of a shot at getting in here. It did touch $258 for the high $15 ago. So this ETF has come off $15, 5-6%. That is becoming more of a bargain. Now, I will admit, the low in the last year, 126. It's had a good year. I mean, this is not like a dog ETF. This dog has had a great year. But in the last little while, it has definitely backed off from the 258 level to the 242.97 level, just so you know. So any of you out there who are looking for a bargain, that's definitely one to look after and to take a look into. Other stocks that I'm following on my favorite list, Home Depot at $3.23, down $1.93. It's having a great month, but down a little today. IBM down $2.26. Love this stock, $141.98. Microsoft down 22 cents. It is coming back all day. It has come back from the low this morning, which was $249.60, now $252. It's only moved barely, not even $3. I mean, just to show you how unvolatile this company is. But it is coming on. Apple down $1.85. They can't make any more money. I mean, they can't make you any more money than they're making now. They've met every marker of excellence. They have made every marker of sales, earnings, growth, stock buyback, dividend increase, everything they had to do, they're doing. Stock is down $1.90 a share. So the lower it goes, the better this stock deal is. Tesla having a good day, up $28, $7.05. Way to go, Tesla. Good to see that happening. Bed Bath & Beyond down 84 cents to $25.18. Just not having a good time. BlackBerry down 23 cents to $8.83. It's given up a bit of a gain from the last few days. On the cruise lines, they're up. Royal Caribbean up $1.83 to $86.73. Norwegian up 68 cents to $30.99. And Carnival up 59 cents to $27.80. They're all overpriced. All three cruise lines, they're overpriced. But the sentiment is positive. The people are excited. They're hearing news. They might be cruising by mid-July, August, September. Cross your fingers. We'll see. Time will tell if this actually is happening or not. But even so, if these cruise lines were told that by the end of the year you can be up and running again, it'll take until then into probably the next spring to get all the cruise lines properly organized again and sailing properly with itineraries. But the issue will be what kind of occupancy levels will they be allowed to operate under, and how restrictive will it be on board? And in the first month or two or three, what are the case counts? And are we going to hear stories like, Mr. and Mrs. Jones from blah, 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 Kansas were on a cruise and they both were inoculated 6 months ago and they both got the COVID virus on their cruise to the Caribbean? Are we going to start hearing those kinds of stories that could scare people off to go, I'm not sure? Because remember, just because you get your vaccine doesn't mean you're 100% protected. You are 70 to 90% protected. Get on a cruise ship with 2,500 passengers, 1,500 crew, 4,000 people on a ship for a week. What are the odds that a certain number of people will come down perhaps with the virus if there is a spreader on board that doesn't know they have it? Or you come in contact with someone on shore, wherever you're going to, and you get exposed to someone who doesn't know they have it, and now you caught it. You don't know you have it. You feel fine. You get tested when you get home, or you get tested when you get it back to the home port, and you're positive. What will happen then, and how will that go over? I don't know. Anyway, the cruise lines will be sailing at reduced occupancy levels, and they will be lucky, absolutely fortunate, if they can somehow pull off a miracle in 2022 and not lose any more money. I don't think they will. I think they will still have losses for 2022. It's 2023. We are expecting, those of us who watch stock markets, they have to be making money by then. They've got to be cash flow positive. They have to have stopped the bleeding. They have to have had to allow to get up to 80% capacity or more and be back in business in a big way, because they have got $70 billion in new debt that they've taken on, plus a bunch of stock they've issued to the street to survive. They will never earn the earnings per share they earned in 18 and 19. They will never see that until at least a decade from now. It'll be another decade before they get back to that. They will, for the next 10 years, be plowing money back to their bankers and or hoping their stock rises enough that they can keep issuing stock to drop the debt faster. The problem is that by the time they get to profits, they have to divide whatever profits they make into double the number of shares that used to be outstanding or more. And that means that there's no way they will ever see the earnings per share they've seen before, which means they are capped at half their highest ever price going forward. This is my take on it, my opinion. Don't have to agree with me on this, but I think they're capped at half of their best ever price. And for Royal Caribbean, last year they reached $130, and so that's a $65 cap, in my opinion, on Royal Caribbean. They're trading right now at $86. So there's a negative $20 upside in this stock, negative $20. Carnival, they were as high as about 55, so they're 27.50. That's right where they are now. And Norwegian, they were also in the 55 neighborhood. They'll be at 27.50 all time. Their new high, they're at 30 right now. So these stocks are at their highs or above their future highs for the next 5 to 10 years. Just so you know, that's just where I come from on mathematics. That's all I'm using. It's not emotion, it's math. And boy, that's a topic people hate to talk about sometimes. But there it is. All right. Down 263 on GameStop, 173.56. 993 on AMC, down 27 cents. And it has been as low as 988. So it's a rough one over there. Let's move on and continue forward. Paper City Gamer Jeff, how you doing, buddy? Congrats on 100,000 subs. Just sent you a PayPal and forgot to type that message. Did you do that too? Oh man, I can't believe it. Thank you all of you for all your kind words and donations and best wishes. I appreciate it. Oh man, what can I say? All right, well, move on. Let's see here. What else have we got? Other messages coming through here. Let me double check and triple check and quadruple check and everything else. I've got a new member right here. Daniel Bly. Thank you, Daniel, for becoming a new member of the channel. And also Deeper Value. Thank you, Deeper Value, for becoming a member of the channel. Fabulous, guys. I'm just having trouble keeping up with all this. This is beautiful. Everybody, thank you so much. And let's go here. What else is happening here? It is option expiry day today. Options are expiring today. All the contracts for GameStop at 175 or lower are in the money. Well, not right now. 173.48. So 170 or lower in the money. Marcus, thank you for this donation. Hey, Bruce Greens from Germany again. Say hi to Matsy, first time viewer and stock noob. Great new RedBubble merch. You demand. Thank you for that kind words from aus Deutschland. Guten Tag, wie geht's? Wo bist du aus? What city are you in? Let me know. Wo bist du? Thank you for popping in here. This is great. I love it. Love getting messages from Germany and Switzerland and Sweden and Amsterdam and well, you know, everywhere. There's Deeper Value. Thank you, Deeper Value, for being a member. This is cool stuff. And thank you. It's options expiry date today. Anything else can happen at the end of April. Here we go. Is it just the drinking game, or are we getting more new members than usual? That could be it. Maybe the drinking game that's going on regarding this show is causing people to join the channel. I don't know. Welcome, Daniel. People are welcoming Daniel and still spelling Daniel's name correct. So far, so good. But I don't know how long this is going to last. Welcome, Deeper Value as well. Unbelievable. Hello, everybody. From Daniel. Fabulous. The Dow down 183. We've got 26 minutes to go. It's not looking good. S&P down 28. NASDAQ down 109. Not looking good. No. It's a negative day today, and that's all I could say about that. That's all I have to say about that. Yeah, not great on the day front here. What can I say? Oh yes. Amazon is up 9.53. That's good. Disney's up 58 cents. I'm looking for green. I can't find much. American Airlines up 26 cents. Netflix up 3.40. Snowflake up 2.72. Moderna up 3.01. And it was up a lot higher than that today, but it's not holding it now. Coinbase at 2.95. That's going back to 2.50, I think, eventually. Yeah. Yuck. What can I say? 173.82 on GameStop. 173.88 on GameStop. Not great. 9.92 on AMC. slowly slipping backwards is what we're seeing here, unfortunately. Just read that the USA is going to restrict travel from COVID-ravaged India. So air travel from India is going to be banned, and I would imagine anyone from India will be banned from coming into the U.S. because the numbers out of India are so scary. I cannot understand why the USA took so long to get with the program. I would have thought that the USA would have done this 2 weeks ago, but it didn't. And finally now, but oh gosh, there are variants all over the U.S. from India by now. It's unbelievable. The problem is that it's such a fast spreader. Canada is been overrun with the Indian variant. We're really scrambling here. There are tighter and tighter travel controls coming into Canada right now. Here in British Columbia, we cannot leave our health district area, which means I'm going to guess that in about a 50-mile radius, we really are being told, do not leave 50 miles from where you are here in Creston. Stay right where you are and don't go anywhere. Vancouver is on lockdown, and every territory in British Columbia. Alberta next door, travel bans everywhere. They do not travel 300 miles to go see relatives, nothing like that. Stay home, stay in your city, and cut it back. It's working. The numbers are slowly dropping, but it is restrictive, but it has to be. Restaurants are closed, and getting my hair cut yesterday, the barber wore the mask the entire time. I wore the mask until I sat in the chair, took my mask off, and the entire time the barber was behind me. So I was breathing this way, and the barber was doing her thing back here, and she would not touch my hair with her fingers and cut. She would only use a comb to touch my hair and have the buzzer cutting. And that was to prevent to have less and less contact. I'm trying to remember if she wore gloves, and I can't remember if she wore gloves, but I wouldn't have blamed her if she did. It's really been a rough one here. We're doing all we can in Canada to prevent the spread. What can I say? Over on the Dow Jones, right now the winners are Amgen, Walgreens, Merck, Verizon, and Procter & Gamble. The losers are Chevron, Dow Chemical, Salesforce.com, Intel, and International Business Machines, down 1.5%. S&P 500 winners are Aon PLC, Willis Towers, Fortinet, Tesla, and Digital Reality. Those are the winners on the S&P 500. Losers, Twitter down 14%, Rosemead down 9.5%, Skyworks, Dexcon, and IPG. On the NASDAQ, winners are Tesla, CGen, Altizen, Vertex, and Amgen. Losers, Skyworks, Dexcom, NXP, Marvel Technologies, and KLA Corp are the losers on the big market. On the big markets, 174.01 on GameStop. There's a slight recovery. We're down 218 a share. It did get over 74. I don't know if this is going to mean anything. The Dow is down 157, S&P down 26, NASDAQ down 107. Russell down 31 points. That is where we're at right now. Not looking great today. That's the bottom line without any question whatsoever. We are down. For the week, the Dow has had a mostly down week. Monday morning, it was as high as 34,128. Now we're at 33,896. It's not a catastrophic bad week. It's just a down week. We had Monday, Tuesday sort of down to flat. Wednesday was a down day, stayed down. Thursday was crazy. It was up in the morning, a big drop by noon hour, and then a major run to the end of the day. The swing on Thursday, the closing number, or it was as high as 34,000. What was that? 34,087 for the high, low of 34,048. So the swing was massive, a big swing. I'm reading this all wrong, am I not? I'm having trouble with my vision here, but it looks like there was a swing of about 300-400 points just on the Dow on Thursday from low to high. Friday, though, we've given it all back, and we're meandering here down 163 on the markets. That's what we have right now on the Dow today. GameStop 174.12, a little better, yeah, but nothing's going on. Volume on GameStop 4 million. We just broke 4 million. We've got 20 minutes to go in the day. I remember, was it early this week? We did 5 million in the first hour. We're doing just barely at 4 million, and we got 20 minutes to go. So you can see how absolutely quiet it is. Unfortunately, there's just nothing. Nada, napada going on right now. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Thank you for hanging around with me today, watching this market and trying to see what we're going to get out of it. Let's continue on with some more hellos, highs, how are you? Higher Education with Beans is in the house as a new member. I'm not sure if Higher Education with Beans is here because of the drinking game that's going on over on Reddit. Or wherever you're playing that game, or is it Discord? But I appreciate you're here. Best Bet, another new member. Congratulations, Best Bet. There's a lot on the line for every member that joins here, apparently. L4G, Bruce, I sold my AMC after your video. I know what profit debt means. Common sense will tell you at least this South Carolina is green. All right, on L4G. What can I say? It's now $9.95. It's just been tough. Michael, thank you, Michael, so much for your donation here. $100, man. That's awesome. You're the winner for now. You're tied with the highest donation of the week. So, and it matches my shirt. I mean, man, Michael, you're the man. You are absolutely the man. No regrets. Way to go, buddy. Appreciate that. It just all fits. It just all works. Thank you so much. Should have put not looking good in that game that we have today. Bruce, please explain what options expire in the money or out of the money, or does it mean the stock options are very tricky for me to understand? It's simple, really. An option with an exercise price of $175 a share on GameStop right now is 75 cents out of the money, because the stock is 25 cents or 75 cents below $175. So if the option expires tonight and the stock stays at under 175 even, it's out of the money. A $170 contract that expires tonight is in the money by $4.56 right now, this second. So if the stock closes at this price, the contract that expires this Friday at $170 exercise price is worth $4.56 a share, or the contract is worth $456, 100 times the price, because it's 100 shares per contract. So if you are long, you own 10 contracts, and your stock closes at 175, you got 5 G's in your jeans, but you might have paid more for the contract than that, possibly. Anyway, right now, 174.95, 175.09. The stock is coming on a little bit right now, down $1.10, trying to mount a bit of a comeback. Can the stock break even? The 175s are now in the money, 8 cents in the money. That's what that means. Awesome sauce, guys. Awesome sauce. Thank you, everybody, for joining, donating, saying hi, everything. It's just wonderful. Thank you. $100 donation to finish your drinks, guys. Mike, 175 again, baby. 174.59. We just touched 175. Let's see what happens. Let's go to 180. How about that? Another 10 GameStop. There you go. A little more. Thank you, everybody. Wow, what can it do? I don't know. $9.95 on AMC, down 26 cents. $9.94 now, down 26 cents. Yeah, not great. 23 million traded on AMC. Under pressure. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boom boom. Stock markets with Bruce. Suggestion: shut the comments off. Keep the chat. Post a link to a Reddit thread in the description. Easy.
That was easy.
Easy. That was easy.
That was easy.
There you go. There's all kinds of suggestions, thoughts, ideas, motivations. Oh, Ramel, you've done it. Ramel has bested our friend Michael through a PayPal donation. He has bettered him by a penny. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ramel. Appreciate that. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty darn cool right there. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you very much. You're salvaging this week, I'll tell you that. Thank you. Beautiful. What do we got going here? Oh my gosh, we're trying to keep it going. Oh my gosh, it is what do we got? 16 minutes to go before the day is done. We're sitting on 391 thumbs ups right now. Keep those thumbs ups coming in, folks. 392 now with 25 on the downside right at this moment in time. There are 1,200 of you watching us right now. Oh, Michael Simon. Oh, my God, Michael Simon, what have you done now? What are you doing? Oh, my gosh. Look at this. $150 donation. Happy Friday, everyone. This is a mic drop. That's a mic drop. I gotta admit, that's pretty cool. That is a pretty cool mic drop. Thank you at Rat Matches at Red. I love that look. I'll tell you right now, Michael Simon and Michael. Thank you, both of you, and also to Romel. Thank you, Romel. Where's that again? Thank you, buddy. Romel, thank you, Romel. Also, you guys are awesome. Fantastic. Oh, now look at this. Austin wants to outdo everybody. $151. Thank you, Austin, man, buddy. That's awesome. Thank you. Paying the Bruce Capital Gains tax. Love the show. Thank you, guys. Oh man, you guys are amazing. Whew. Turning this afternoon show into a barn burner. This is awesome stuff. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your stimulus money. Some of it, anyway. Unbelievable. Boy, I sure hope GameStop goes to $180 as a reward. Wouldn't that be great if it did that? Come on, GameStop. Let's roll, man. Oh, my God. Sal is going, oh, my God, look at this. And buy and hold. It has begun. It has begun. This is amazing. Thank you, Scott Coleman. Scott, as always, from the UK. Buddy, thank you for your donation on PayPal. It's like every day, man. You're awesome. Thank you so much, as always, my friend. Those add up, and they really do. Thank you. Going long and Uncle Bruce. Are we having fun yet now? Can I buy calls on Uncle Bruce stock? My gosh. If it closes at 180 or higher, 180 or higher, I'll send you another $180. How about that? Go GameStop. 13 minutes. We need a run. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. You guys are something else. Appreciate that. Wizard says, you just gave him a GameStop share. So basically you just gave him $10 million. You could have just given him the stock. And no, that's all right. It's all good. Thank you all. Knee and butter. Knee and butter right now. Chris Wood, thank you for the mic drop. $1.99. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it, too. All donations, always so gratefully accepted. Around all donations match the stock price. Come on, GameStop. Let's go, baby. Oh, man. I can't get into blackout. I got to get into the beach later. I knew I was a bad influence here. I knew it. I was a bad influence. Thank you, everybody. Man, you guys are phenomenal. What a day. This is just going to blow the month end really nicely higher. Thank you. Fabulous. 174.50 on GameStop. Volume now, 4,770,000. Just, not much to get excited about. Sorry. AMC, unfortunately, 994, 24 million shares. 994, 995 now. Poor GameStop, poor AMC. 174.91 on GameStop. Looks like it wants to take a shot at 175 again. And then, of course, went right to 180. I mean, that wouldn't that be the way it goes? It just goes 175, 180, right? I don't know. I was just thinking, what can I say? The only thing to top this game would be for GameStop to go higher. I have a feeling I barely run into with a bad crowd. That big smile on Bruce is priceless. I never give Uncle Bruce the extra donation. I owed it to him. Chris Wood. I'm honored. I'm in Montreal, and I got some world famous bagels. You do in Montreal. You do have world famous bagels. They are good ones. Thank you, Sal. Let's see. Wizard Hours, Colin Dangerously, hence your name. Bad is good. I'm happy at 180. The GameStop graph looks like a great roller coaster. Yep, 174.50. It's not going up yet. Bruce, do you know any dad jokes? Do you know any dad jokes? I can't think of anything like this. How many wives and husbands are coming home to a bunch of drunks today? Oh my gosh, I don't know. When the missus gets home from work, she's going to wonder why I'm sloshed. It's coming. It's going to be 180. I already know that I would enjoy Uncle Bruce's company anywhere in the world. Oh, thank you guys. I just bought 100 shares, just picked up 5 more. We got the knee emojis going everywhere. I wish I had 180 million so I could buy 1 million shares of GameStop. Yeah, exactly. Smack that like button. VGAC, pop it a bit. Oh, that would be good. VGAC, 10.08, up 8 cents. We'll take it. We could sure use it. Fifth wall, now up 16 cents to 10.86, our latest edition. What is going on? What is going on? Sitting Bull, I own 100 shares of AMC for support of the company and to help counter those wanting to short it into bankruptcy. But GameStop, sorry AMC fans, but this is not Chillin with Uncle Bruce show. There you go. Hey Bruce, just showing up for the first time today. Busy day. Liked your video, of course. Ashley, thank you for popping in. I'm drinking coffee, says love the comments. If GameStop hits 180, I drink 174.37. We got 10 minutes to go. I don't know if it's going to happen. We got 10 minutes to go. We'll cross our fingers. Ashley, can I call this the GameStop hasn't mooned yet support group? Dad joke, what did the Buffalo say to his kid when he left for college? Bison. Oh, man, the drinking game. Oh, no. Chris Wood, I am looking forward to the day when we're all swimming in tendies and all these donations are in the tens of thousands of dollars. Oh, I'm looking forward to that too. Here we go. 10 minutes now. I'm wondering about volume. What does it say about the stock in an upward trend or down? Low volume with good rise, not a good sign, right? This is a good sign. The market is down 200 points on the Dow. Our stock here, the GameStop shares we're following so closely, are down $1.70. I mean, come on. You complaining about this? How can we? And the stock, $2 pop here, and it's even up on the day. It wouldn't take much. Whatever you may be drinking, goodness knows the seal is about to be broken. You know what? If GameStop doesn't hit 180, I will also drink if it doesn't hit 180. Yes, Wizard L, that's the dream, to be the catalyst. Laughing out loud, observe thyself. You are too much. Bruce, why is Mexico not in the Olympics? Because everyone who can swim, jump, and run is already in the U.S. Please don't hate me for this. Please don't hate me. I've been drinking. Ashley, no shares available to short on GameStop today, according to Fintel. That's interesting. Very interesting. You're cut off. Observe thyself. You're cut off. I actually bought Costco frozen tendies today. A sign, maybe? A sign? Wizard, you go down in history as the one that caused the mother of all short squeezes. David Rowland, I'm joining you, fellow drinkers, but with my Heineken. There you go. Everyone's smiling. Stop making sense. Are we dad joking now? Laughing out loud. Jane Riddell, riddle me this. If a quiz is quizzical, what is a test? If IPOE hits 400, I'm sending you $1,000. Thank you very much. Birdie, Trio Bruce, Jackie Gleason knew bing, bang, zoom to the moon. He sure did. Yep, no more observe thyself. AMC. Okay, hey, again, observe thyself. How you doing? William, dad joke, what's a DJ's favorite pasta sauce? What's a DJ's favorite pasta sauce? All right, Colin, why isn't water polo an Olympic sport? It's too hard on the horses. That's Marinara. William Lackey, Marinara. I will drink if a GameStop finishes at any price. 174.57. It's not moving. 150.74.62. Oh, it is moving. It just went up 5 cents. Gotta run early today, guys. Have a good one. Kevin, you take care, Kev. Wizard Owl, and I'll be diamond in all those shares. It shouldn't have broken the sea. It shouldn't have broken the sea. Okay. Hey, Bruce, my bet from earlier in the week is back on today. If we close GameStop above $180, I'll donate $180. How about that? Jane, Kevin, have a good weekend. Dad, jokes are easy. Just make any joke and then explain it. Yeah, actually, this is adults only. We began drinking. We have to be 21 to chat. Sorry, I'm a YouTube monitor. People are laughing here. Look up the Fintel available shorts for GameStop. There's no shares to short. What does that mean? It's going to the moon. That is just going to go to the moon. What can I say? Dave, I just saw that H0 in the store. Any good? Oh, the Heineken 0.0. Wizard, I'm 26. Smack. All sounds like dirty words. These all sound like dirty words. JJ, ice cold. Rabbit, you almost had him. What kind of cheese isn't yours? Not yo cheese. That's what nacho cheese. Best bet, I think, is the best bet. So close. She's so prime bright. Gonna pop anytime. Remember, slippery one went. 174.77. Just a little under 175. Can it pop up to 175? I don't know. DQ. I like it. It's pretty tasty for a beer. What's up? What's up, Pirate's favorite sauce? Tartar sauce. Oh, no. Actually, I've reached Ravenna. All I do is buy, hold, rinse, and repeat. GameStop. I need to see your idea. I'm sorry. I'm all in on game. I think GameStop needs knees. What's red and bad for your teeth? A brick. Do you know a lot about deep value stocks? Not really. Wizard Owl. Okay, I don't know. I have a 5-year-old. What's brown and sticky? A stick. All in GameStop. Bruce, is it possible you could put together a brief one-page summary of the SPACs for members that we could get access to? Just a paragraph on each as their highlights in your opinion. That's called work, and I'm tired. I'm too tired to do that. So you're just gonna have to hang in there with me and just wait it out. Sorry if I'm being, whatever. Well, I'm pooped. I'm really tired. What can I say? 174.70. Are we going up or down? What's going to happen? Are we going over 175? What's going to happen? I might do that someday. Just hang around. He read it. Let's see. What else have we got going on here? If you whisper into the camera, the stock rises. But that means that someone has another thing on their drinking game, doesn't it? All in, I'm all in. Oh no, Bruce, put together one page or laugh alone. He ain't gonna do that work. Bruce is too tired to do that. I'm exhausted. Just memorize what I say. Just remember what I tell you. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 174.83. Will it go higher? I don't know. Can it go higher? Why won't it go higher? Come on, go higher. I'm making as many single buy market orders as I can right now. Where is a pirate's favorite place to eat? Arby's. Come on, get to 175 at least. 174.79. A little better. 174.79. A little better. 174.79. A little better. I don't know. Let's see here. The comments just keep flying in here. I'm headed to my. I'm headed past my personal drinking risk tolerance threshold. What can I say? Says Liz. What was the toothbrush invented in West Virginia? If it were anywhere else, it would have been the teeth brush. Oh my gosh. 175 to be in the money. 174.53 with 3 minutes to go. Laughing out loud. Oh my gosh. Let's see. A pirate walks into a bar with a steering wheel in his pants. The bartender says, "Hey, you got a steering wheel in your pants." Pirate says, "I know, it's driving me nuts." Oh no, we lost 180 this afternoon. We can't lose 175 too. 174.82. What is it going to do, people? Oh, I know a lot of jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. Oh, my. How does a French skeleton say hello? Bonjour. Best Friday close in a while. Birdie is naughty. Cheers. Uncle Bruce, I'm sending you some paper to your paper P.O. box. Please fill out and return promptly. Yes. 180. I'm smoking a blunt. 174.74. It's not going anywhere. They're trying to keep GameStop from closing over 175. Let's ruin their day. Why did the horse cross the road? There was a glue factory over there. Oh no! Did you know that you should always take an extra pair of pants golfing, just in case you get a hole in one? Oh no! David Roland, Amsterdam's too busy for me. Bruce, it's not your personal Google, but nice try, Birdie. And if not, I will. Finally, VGAC is doing something. Maybe at 15 contracts I have for July and October will give me some money. VGAC up 9 cents. Oh my gosh. 174.52, 174.75 on GameStop with a minute to go. We're coming into the last stretch now. It's almost there. Oh man, we still have to figure out how to recognize each other at the future get-togethers. Avatars, maybe? Oh my gosh. I think we need Jen to do a daily afternoon check-in. Maybe snacks with Jen following the bagels with Bruce in the AM. Oh my gosh. 174.32, 174.62. We're coming into the last minute. Not much going on here at last minute. Not much more. Oh my gosh. We're watching it. Oh my gosh. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody. Bruce, help me. I'm all in, but I keep buying more. Lights blazing. Charm. Birdie. Birdie, you have a great weekend too. Mine left me because of my obsession with horoscopes. It tear us apart. Oh, no. Do dead cats bounce? Not if the cat's playing dead. Then it would be a live cat bounce. See, there you go. BJC is going to have to do a lot more than just 9 cents. That's true. What's the similarity between a Rubik's Cube? The more you play it, the harder it gets. Oh, no. Bruce, I think about opening a bar in Alaska and calling it Club Baby Seal. Good investment. Maybe St. John's, Newfoundland. Maybe that's where you want to go. St. John. Try it over there. 173.52. It looks like the final trade. We are done, I think. The bells are going, and 173.52 down 267. So the contracts 170 and below are in the money. 170 above are out of the money. And that's the deal right there, kids. That is the deal. 174.88 in the aftermarket right now. And what can I say? Citadel owns 20% of VGAC, by the way, just so you know. That's a good thing. I think that's a good thing. I think if they own a bunch of this stock, it's going way higher. It's going to go way, way higher. Yeah, Citadel doesn't get into $10 stocks to short stocks. They get into $100 stocks to short stocks, $500 stocks to short stocks, not $10 stocks. They go long at 10. That's just my thinking. Anyway, what can we say? What did the dad bottle of ketchup say to the baby bottle of ketchup when they're walking down the road? Catch up. Bruce, you said you like the odd numbers. 173.59 is as odd as it gets. That's true. He'll never read it. Laugh out loud. Sorry, Bruce. I really was hoping for 180 plus. He did. Oh man, I'm just glad I could help you guys. Make your side bets come true. Thank you everybody for your donations today. Thank you, Scott Coleman, as always. Thank you. That's absolutely beautiful. What can I say here? As we are trying to put together all of our things here, what's going to happen? How is it going to go? Thank you for joining me on this show. Fabulous. My goodness. Are you having fun tonight? I don't know. 174 in the aftermarket right now on GameStop. 174, up 48 cents. Right up there. That's where we're at. Hey, I got to ask you a question, you guys. There are a lot of you are ahead of me on this kind of information. I need your help here. I need a new chair. You probably noticed that I'm sitting in a dining chair with telephone books under my butt. I need a chair. What kind of chair should I be getting? What kind of brand name chair should I be getting? Can I get it on Amazon? What kind of price are these things? What's the brand name of these chairs? Anybody know any of this kind of stuff? I would love to hear that information, and so I can look into this, because I need a chair that's adjustable for height, can turn, has armrests, got wheels underneath, comfortable on the rear end with the back and the lumbar. What do you recommend? What's the best I can get out there? What should I do? And let's go from there. So we got questions going on here, folks. Okay, let's see. TGIF to the Bagel Crew. Well played, Ashley. He made my day. Odd and Prime. Let's see. Dad joke. Why did the chicken coop only have 2 doors? If it had 4 doors, it would be a chicken sedan. That's why. Hey, Bruce. Fixed emojis on the pop-up banner. Hey, Bruce. Fixed emojis on the pop-up banner. I don't know what that means. Optimus Prime. Is that a brand name of a chair? I don't know what that means. Why do melons have weddings? Because they can't elope. Oh, gosh, no. X chair. Herman Miller Aeron. Rory Kitty chair. Why do melons have weddings? Well, we just did that. Secret Labs. GameStop. Get it from GameStop. Get a Secret Lab chair. Fastest final Friday hour ever. Get drinking games going. Things go fast. Secret Lab, obviously. Herman Miller, gaming chair. Get your new chair from GameStop. Call 100%. I think it would be fitting to get a gaming chair from GameStop. Buy a Secret Lab chair from GameStop. I'll have to look into that. Secret Labs, just like a DFV. GameStop has nice gaming chairs. Someone stole your face. Herman Miller, use Wayfair, much better than Amazon, and they have cool shopping flyers. We need a chair expert. Stat, Ernst chair. You'll need a booster seat since you're only 4'8". Well, there you go. GameStop has gamer chairs you'll love. Aaron, I get a Secret Labs chair from GameStop.com. See, you need a Captain's Picard chair from the Enterprise. That's what you need, Bruce. See, I bet you a certain favorite e-commerce business sells computer chairs. See, yeah, the one that's on clearance sale. There it is. It's still there. Got to close. Got to look close. Gamer chair from GameStop. Bruce, you obviously need a sitting wedge. GameStop has chairs. Gaming chair with the Bagel Time logo. GameStop sells racer chairs. DX Racer is a great chair, around $400. I used it for streaming. Herman Miller for the pricey lumbar support. Secret Lab for the GameStop swag. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Okay. Let's see. Continuing on here. Hang on. Herman Miller Aeron is the best chair ever. Did you hear the rumor? Did you rumor butter? Well, I'm not going to spread it. Oh my God, Bruce! I've never seen Transformers. Laugh out loud. In the past, we bought chairs from Staples. Sip. Michael Herman Miller chair, Bruce. Get a ergonomic chair. They have labels for how many hours max you're supposed to sit on them. For example, like 8+ hours. Why did golfer bring 2 pair of pants in case he got a hole in one? Dang it, Colin didn't realize we did the same darn joke. Serta makes great chair. God dang it. Wait a second. Is Colin Dangerously afro on his profile picture character getting bigger and bigger every time he comments? Nice game chair. That's what you need. Stockmarks of Bruce Staples, Westcliff, bonded leather manager's chair. Inexpensive, but very comfy. Mallow Shark, Lazy Boy. That's what you need. You need a recliner. That's what I need. Broker, say GameStop again. No, I'm not saying GameStop. I'm not saying GameStop. I'm not saying GameStop again. Not doing it. Not GameStop. Herman Miller, Aaron is a mesh seat. So cool for summer. Scott, hey Bruce, Mrs. Scott Coleman wants to send her love also. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Scott Coleman and Mrs. Scott Coleman. You guys are absolutely wonderful. Have a wonderful weekend in the UK. Thank you so much for all your support, donations. You guys are absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Brent Hips, GameStop sells PNY computer parts now. Just added quality parts you'd actually want at Newegg level prices. Very interesting. Liz, the same red chair as Deep F Value. Jake, Scandinavian wordplay is not the fart that kills, it's the smell. Okay. Get a tall backed all leather chair with those little buttons all over it. You could wear, I don't know what they're saying. GameStop has booster seats too. Big thing. Not sure what you're talking about. And a black hat on your arm, says Liz. All right. I see. $1 million. Yes. Best bet massage chair. Now that's what I need. I need a massage chair to sit here for 3 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, 5 days a week, entertaining you people, and thanking you people all the time. That's what I need. A massage. Then I can just sleep on the air. Have a great weekend, Uncle Bruce. 11432. I thank you. Oh man, you guys kill me. I'm gonna catch up with these messages here. I heard Ryan Cohen is a great chair, man of the board. Uncle Bruce, did naked shorting happen when you were a broker, or is it just since computer trading? There was naked trading, but little of it. I mean, really rare indeed. Will you become the chairman then? I think I have already gone to the moon. Bruce, there's obviously no other place to go but GameStop for your chair. Cody, Herman Miller, Arion is premium, but $800. Secret Lab, like $200, and pretty good too. Derek Johnson, no Secret Labs at GameStop. You could wear one of those smoking jackets with a bubble pipe. Sean and Woody, God is amazing. Sean and Wendy, God is amazing. Hey, Uncle Bruce, my husband Sean is the best. Shades at buying office chairs. You buy a chair like you buy a bed. One you sit in for 8+ hours, so long it'll take. Wendy, confused. Interesting. Sitting Bull, $469.99 US home furniture chairs and seating office chairs and product details. Work Pro Quantum 9000 mesh series high back executive desk chair with headrest, gray, black, item number, whatever. There you go. There's your chair, buddy. Colin's hair. Oh no, Philly Flasher. I've been incredibly underwhelmed by my Herman Miller, to be honest. Wizard, I met a guy who invented Transformers. Michael, James, he said Mike, then correct himself. Michael, chair made of bagels or a massage chair from the middle of the mall. Yeah, one of those. I just put like a quarter in it, or a dollar bill. Texas, $160 donation, the number one donation of this show of the week. Number one, all alone, is Texas. Respect from Texas. Well, I tell you, respect right back at you. Thank you. You're helping me get a new chair. That is awesome. These donations. I love these red color donations. Man, do they look good. Jay Ray, laughing out loud. Herman Miller is always a designer thing, not a comfort thing. Michael, missed it. It's always bigger in Texas. I researched this for hours. That Herman Miller, if you got 2,000 for sure. If not, Office Depot, $500. Auntie, why are bunnies so quiet when they make love? Because they have cotton balls. Outbid, ouch. Holy crap. Yep, been outbid. Unbelievable. Texas, oh my God. How come, oh, come on, $160 super chat. JJ, Chug. Texas, nice. These donations, my gosh. You want to get a new chair? Texas doing it big time. Bruce, you're going to kill somebody. Go Texas. Thank Bruce. GameStop isn't the trigger. Thank Bruce. GameStop isn't the trigger. 4 quick shots. I'm not tipsy. I'm running out of tequila here. Herman Miller, $600 used. Everything's bigger in Texas. YouTube isn't letting me send a super chat. Oh, no. Well, go to PayPal. Make a donation on my PayPal account. Don't mess with Texas. That's what he said. I suddenly like Texas. I have a good weekend, Uncle B and everybody else. If you don't get your chair from GameStop, I'll be disappointed. Let's see here. Let's go. Where are these comments coming from? Here we are. Let's see. Have a great weekend. Citadel has 151,900 puts and 46,400 calls, and no raw shares as of Feb 16. How about that? We got best bet going long on booze. Why does America use the metric system? It's stupid. Texas, shop smart for chairs. Shop S smart. Okay. What do we got? Yeah, two, bin, whatever. By Don, Dan, Bruce. What do you think about Endeavor? EDR, it is the UFC and went public. I bought some this morning at 25 and have to think of the way undervalued right now. Finding it's a huge business. Dan, I don't know. That deal that they tried to go public. What is it? A year and a half ago, and it failed, and so now they've done it again, and there were issues. I don't know. Everything's bigger here, says Jane. There are Craig's. They're on Craigslist. Blondes, brunettes, all kinds. Higher educational needs. You should just forget the chair and get a hot tub. Now you see now. Keep those donations coming in, and we can get a hot tub. Now you're talking. Oh man, tipsy thoughts. GameStop massage chair in a Tesla. You see, GameStop massage chair in a. Now and drive to the hot tub. Now you see, Kirk Brunson, you might deserve a throne one day. Massage chair, because watching Sleeping Bruce is such a rush. Now we know what to name your outdoor family member, Dr. Bigglesworth, Mr. Bigglesworth. Best bet, Gene is his massage chair. I went to karaoke bar yesterday that didn't play any 70s music. At first, I was afraid. I was petrified. Games of Melbourne Capital has 6 million puts still as of 2/16. Just one of those beds that rises up. Bagels in bed with Bruce. Now, there you go. Have you ever considered a stool? How about that? Hammock? Jeremy, that's crazy.
That was easy.
That was easy. Cool. Somebody stole my Microsoft Office, and they're going to pay. You have my word. I got an Aeron chair from Craigslist in bad shape for about $100. Herman Miller sent out a tech who replaced all the broken parts, which amounts to almost every part. Lifetime warranty. Texas, nice job. Go Texas. Those Herman Miller used under 1,000. Texas, Marissa. Okay. T-Bone, Lemonade. Bruce, you need to go watch Transformers. It's really a public service with Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. Disagree. My Herman Miller chair is super comfortable. You should wait for the fire sale and buy Kenny G's office chair on the cheap. The shorts are on Uncle Bruce. Are worried now. Okay, a T-Bone nonstop. Laughing my ass off. See you later, trivia. Oh my, we'll see you for trivia. If I were you, I'd buy the swing with stirrups. You dog. Okay. Did I miss something? What happened to the chair? I'm about to fall out of my chair. Oh yeah, trivia on TWB tonight. Just make videos out of your new Tesla, hopefully real soon. People from Texas love Texas, like many other places love their homes. They love it more. I imagine they end public arguments with strangers by everyone saying Texas back and forth and hugging it out. Why is rum always gone? Why is the rum always gone? Ray and hold, buy and hold, $160.01 donation. The number one donation of the day has just come in with a red matching bar for my shirt. Chair money. We're talking chair money or hot tub money. I'm not sure now. It could be both. Thank you, everybody, so much. What a day we're having here. I can vouch for Herman Miller. Saved my back, not my wallet. I'll tell you that. I can see straight stop line. I catch you with my face. Come on, Eve. I need more alcohol. Obviously, I can't drive to the store now. Buy and hold. I figured out how to do the super thingy. I figured out how to do this. You did. You figured out how to do the super thingy, all right, and I thank you for figuring out the super thingy. Some of you can want to figure out how to do the PayPal thingy. You can do that too. It's all fine. Thank you all so much. You guys are unbelievable. What a day. Crazy bunch of people here. I love you guys. Obama, babe, sorry, I've been drinking. Buy and hold. What? Why the face? Very nice. Buy and hold. Killing it. You're killing it. Laughing out loud. Yeah, YouTube won't let me send a super chat either. Glad I wasn't the only one today. Wendy, confused. You always can do a PayPal donation. The link is down below. I'm thinking about getting a haircut. Your thoughts, Bruce? I don't know. They're overrated. Sometimes you can just wear the hair long and it gets in your way and they fall out and fall into your food. It's great. It's really pretty. If they're long enough, it's like floss. T-Bone, what did one hat say to the other? You stay here. I'll go on ahead. We don't use the metric system, so we can short visitors. Buy and hold. Your price is right at the crap out of this one. I do have... I have to do the super stuff the same window as the stream. You're competing with donations over there, making me want to get on this donation war. Chrome Punisher, sitting on the bull. One more thing, this bull is sitting on that specific Office Depot chair, and I have no regrets. It's comfortable and worth it, and put it together in 40 minutes with just a simple wrench. Very, very good. Hot tubs are nice till they break. Expensive pain, and you know what? Name the cat roaring tiger. Ashley, ma'am, this is a casino. Cheers, everybody. Ashley, it's caused one of those drinking rules is to finish your drink on a $100 donation. You have to finish your drink every time he gets a $100 donation. Well, how many have we got? A few. The drinks are piling up at the drinking game because of the $100 donations. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I'm not in this drinking game. Jane, zip, the price is wrong. Buy and hold. Ashley, Texas, smiling. Calling that hair. Just got here. Why the face? Did Bruce strip or something? What's going on? It's a drinking game. Everybody makes an $100 donation. Everybody has to finish their drink that they're working on right off the bat. Oh my gosh, that first drinking game. I like it. Uncle Bruce, your pronunciations are priceless. I usually have chat in a different window so I can put that Uncle Bruce in theater mode. Bama babe, oh gosh, oh no. Yep, guys, I'm going to be honest. Definitely a little tipsy right now. A Wizard Owl, Jonathan Stephanie, you missed it. We all saw Jen. No, you didn't. Damn it. Buy and hold. We're laughing out loud. Everyone's having to let the Tesla drive for you. In Indiana, they deliver alcohol. That's it. I'm starting an interactive drinking YouTube channel. Okay, guys, how do I reverse this alcohol thing? PayPal reveals your real name. This is going to be on every Friday thing. Well, you just tell me what name you want me to use when you make a donation on PayPal. I'll just do that. Colin, if I hope this isn't too rough for someone of your... Bruce, it's Bama Babe, like Alabama, like Bama Babe, like Alabama. I think buy and hold exactly why I don't. Thyself, I have no clue what I said. I laugh at all that. You can't drink all day. I don't. If you don't start in the morning. Colin Dangerously, you need sheep shears. I was watching the new Pickle Guy Ape stream. He was saying nice things about you, Bruce. He said you're the real deal and OG original gangster that knows how to hide some money. Oh, man. Wizard, you told someone we all saw Jen laughing out loud. The last time I dropped big bills like this, it involved drinking big bass line music and skin. I do cornrows. Stock 101 is so true. Oh, laugh out loud. Uncle Bruce, why does it say confused behind any comments? Did Colin put that in there? Laugh out loud. Confused. Maybe Michael did it. That's a drink. John Van should super chat the price of GameStop today. I would bet I used it on the share. Laughing out loud. Mr. Keith Bigglesworth. Oh, drink, Bruce, drink. Sip. Y'all crazy. Lord, Thunder and Jesus, gonna get crunk. My fingers do not work anymore. FYI, we have to take another drink when Uncle B sips some water. Oh no, Reddit Liz. Hi Bruce. Did you saw your mega fan Jenny Foe? She posted a photo on Reddit with all your merchandise while watching you. Cheers, everybody, from Uncle B here in Creston, British Columbia. Oh, that is so darn good. Oh, that is the best. Hope you're doing well. Texas, $40. This adds to the $160 to make it $200. I'm the number one donator today on this show. Texas is number one with a $200 total donation. Don't be messing with Texas, says Texas. Oh, my God. What is happening here? It's unbelievable. Thank you, everybody. I am not drunk, Ossifer. What did you think about that buzz? I don't know what's going on. Don't you wish there was caffeine in that Coke now? Yeah. Laughing with Bruce and the infestation tips are both like gold. I say, what is your cup? What is in your cup, Uncle Bruce? Caffeine-free Diet Coke. Shots. Drink. Texas it's a war. Laughing out loud. Absolutely, Uncle Bruce, you're on fire. I had to buy and hold for this win. I've been dabbing. What is it? Drinking. Thanks, guys. I'm hallucinating again. Bruce, now you have 202 pennies more. There you go. Wizard Owl, 2 Bruce's 1 cup. 40 is worth a few. Forget how many. Buy and hold. Sip. Drinking games with these folks is awesome. Texas, $100 additional. Yawn. Here's another 100 for you. $300 donation from Texas. All in. We're on our way. There's a new chair coming here. I'm pretty darn sure we'll be ordering it very shortly. Wizard Owl, laughing out loud. Texas, thank you. Thanks, Liz. She's right. Make a fan here. Uncle Bruce. 2 Bruce's. Wizard, my wife's going to come home like Jen and beat me while I'm drunk. Have a great night, guys. Oh, make sure to drink vodka so you don't have a bad hangover. Drew, loving it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God, Texas. He says it's caffeine-free Diet Coke, but it's really Tab Texas. Oh, my God, Texas. Oh, my gosh. Holy crap. Bruce keeps drinking, but he never has to go. Is Jen in the other room? Yes, she is. Laughing out loud. Damn you, Texas. Texas, you play high-stakes poker 100%. Before COVID, I would never have known that watching a YouTuber could be so much fun. Get that share and put Texas on it. Wizard Owl, Texas is going to be broke. Sure, you want to know if he's single. Jeez, good Lord, Texas, literally my new favorite state. Justin, I love it in here. Such a good way to end the week. TV. You forgot to mention the second sticker from Buy and Hold before Texas gets another 100. Nobody does it bogger than Texas. Buy and Hold, Texas. Checkmate, haha, James. No way, he's a whale. Guys, you definitely have a place to stay if you come here. J Ray, it's taking me so long to forget where we were talking about. Far from broke, says Texas. Ashley, Texas, cash at me. All my excesses live in Texas. Oh man, why am I seeing 2 Uncle Bruces? Why am I seeing 2 Uncle Bruces? Oh, Jane, that's so sweet. I'm not as think as you drunk I am. I am not. Oh my gosh, you guys kill me. Unbelievable. Well, I guess I have to get a chair now. Now I can work on a hot tub from here, or some more options on my Tesla. Oh, Michael, what have you done? Michael, $200 donation. My New York gotta represent my state of New York. That's $200 on top of another donation that was already made by Michael earlier today. Unbelievable, Michael. Way to go. The 100 already. That's 300 from Michael today. 300 from Texas today. Oh my gosh, it's out of control. Any good stories? Sorry, I have a question. Did you ever get lost? Texas, are you single? Dang, another one, says Justin. I gotta drink another drink. By the way, you can call me Kiwi rather than Splair TV. A free thinker, McJones. I hope Texas buys GameStop shares like they buy super chats. My New York is in the house. That is true. New York is here with a vengeance. No question about it. Bama babe. Oh no, snap. I gotta drink my drink. We got to drink the whole drink. Oh, no. What the hell? Laugh out loud. Diams. Mike, yes. You're tempting, Michael. You're tempting. Obama, babe, how many fingers do I have up right now? Thyself, I already asked. Oh, my gosh. Mike on $300 donation. Michael, the whales are here. Oh, FOH. Wow, Mike coming on strong. New York, Wizard Owl, depends on your portfolio. I think there's a half pint around here somewhere. Want a full review of that share. Hot tub stocks with Bruce. Can't forget the stogie to go with the hot tub too. Don't forget that. Oh no. Spell Air TV. And shouldn't the 3 super stickers get 1 wooden handmade phone holder? I mean, geez. Wizard Hours laughing out loud. Thomas, you are all amazing, says Drew. Bama babe, I could not even come close. Cody, are these super chats tax deductible? You only live once. On Uncle Bruce, they say. JJ Gunn, Michael. Mike. Everyone say it 3 times real fast. Michael. Stock markets with Bruce with that big donation. You got to say, Michael. Uncle Bruce might be talking to himself at the end of the show at this rate. The way this is going, a drunk audience is the best audience. Friday saved your Friday years that you've saved your ass. Laugh out loud. Observe. Laugh out loud. Texas is tied to Michael Hunt. Texas is Texas. My sister. Say you're cute. Texas might be able to move. GameStop. Are we drunk yet, says Texas? Sal, but it's about 100%. Uncle Bruce doesn't need to go fund me. He just needs a good drinking game. People going to wake up to a receipt emails like, oh no, Texas. Apparently, I need to hit up the liquor store to get my bottle ready for the Monday afternoon show. Oh no! Oh, Cody Miles, totally. Texas, well done, sir. Guys, buy GameStop. Okay, I'll tap out. I found my big boys. Stock markets with Bruce, Texas, and Michael. Bama babe, I think Mike likes to see us Alabamians get wasted. What's taxes? Oh no. No, you Drew. No, good game. Texas, not good. Damn it. The ROI on the super chats is better than any ticker. I feel a big GameStop pop coming. Wait. That's my bladder. DQ. How many disputed credit card transactions with Bruce will have to deal with on Monday? Best bet, go public. Laughing out loud. Michael for the win. DQ my bank link. Bruce just laughing out. I swear I have not been this wasted in years, says Bama Babe. I can't add. Michael, damn it, I almost had him. People, tell me what you're drinking. New rule, take a drink every time Bruce mispronounces Bama. Oh, no. Bama, Bima, Bama, Booma. There you go. They're wasted. Jane Joe said it rewind, laughing out loud wizard. Back X Pink. By this time about everything. Buy and hold. I'll go back to my dark corner now. Everybody play rock, scissors, paper against Bruce at the same time. Texas wins. Here is enough money to start with 5 at least GameStop, Bruce. Maybe you get after the ride a diamond chair, or at least a chair with a diamond in it to stay realistic. I ordered a chicken and egg from Amazon. I'll let you know, Michael. I must have slipped. GameStop released in 8K. All y'all, much respect, love from Texas. Be safe and have a great weekend. Says Texas, you do the same, Texas. Thank you. Colin, not fair. If only one prime is eligible. Julian, has anyone seen Michael Hawk? Michael Hawk. Oh no, this is your new power hour. Sippy. Colin, quick a pit stop at the barber. Oh my God, J Ray lost track. How many was that? We're going to have so much fun on Bruce's cruise. Stock markets with Uncle Bruce and Chill. I'm dreaming of Mary Madeline now after all those drinks. Oh no, when Stock markets with Bruce takes a drink, we have to take a drink. Drink, everybody. Thank you, everybody, so much. You're so kind. Oh my God, look what's happening here. Back to AA. Austin Nasralla just got off the phone with fraud prevention services on my card. Austin, thank you for this unbelievable donation. $201. Oh my gosh. On top of the donation you've made already, you might be the leader of this bunch. I'm not exactly sure. It's close. Yeah, 151 made already. This is a $352 total donation from Austin. Austin is now the leader of the bunch. Unbelievable, you guys. Splitter TV, Texas, enjoy the week and hope you're good weather in Texas. Free Maker Jones laughing. I'm technically, it's the Power Hour game. We're aftermarket now. You can't make me. You can't make me. Austin Nasralla. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Comments coming through like crazy. I cannot keep up. Check the stock. I'm not doing it. Oh my God, Colin, you were rocking those cornrows. Brilliant, says DQ for Austin. A nice job, Austin. Please, no, laughing out loud, says Valerie. Laughing out loud, Austin. Oh man, I just opened this one. I'm too broke to join. $352 for the win, says at Austin. Says Shelly. Ashley, Austin, well played. I gotta pee. Michael says I gotta pee. What about thumbs ups? Buy and hold, Austin. Wait till you're trying doing $1,000 stickers. Austin for the lead. 351. Free Thinker says Austin. Oh my gosh. Thumbs ups. And in all seriousness, I hope I typed that correctly. It was wonderful to have some frivolity when making money can be so reality based. Free Thinker McJones 352. Sippy E A2 Bruce C A2 Bruce. Oh no, Bama Bay Austin, you're a legend. Uncle Bruce is my new drug. Jesus, have you ever seen the Olivia Munn spoof? How do you throw a space party? You planet. Come on, JJ says that Blackbird that's 2 drinks, right? Thank you, everybody. Keep them coming out there. Bruce, for the love of God, what the heck is going on here? If it's a rocket to Valhalla, when? If it's a long-term multi-year investment, why are we watching the grass grow minute by minute? What is happening? Bama, Ashley says, Bama. Bruce, you're gonna go work. You're gonna work late today. I'm gonna be on. For my next show, the trivia show on TWB. Come on over to Traveling with Bruce. Sponsor members tonight at 7:00 Eastern time. For trivia tonight, if I have a voice left, oh my God, let's hit exactly 599 thumbs ups. Drink, Bruce. T-Bone, Austin is a Texas city. You look thirsty, Bruce. Oh my gosh, J Ray, thumbs ups for a freebie. Thumbs ups are free. Chair paid for, I think so. Southern Charm. Can we get a $420? I got itchy, Bama. I cannot even see Bruce on the screen. I received a donation from. Somebody hang on here. I got to make sure I have the right. I'm allowed to say what I'm allowed to say. Oh my gosh! Thank you everybody so much for this. These donations. What do we got here? Yeah, there it is. Double check this. Thank you for this donation. Let's see here. Oh my goodness gracious me. You guys are unbelievable. Let's see here. Donation received. Thank you, Mikey. Mikey Dozzle Drop. $150 donation on PayPal just landed. Definitely in the top 10 here today. Unbelievable. And so appreciated. Thank you so very much. I'm buying calls on Michael. Bruce showing up with a gold and bagel necklace on Monday. Colin says, when I was a kid, my mother told me I could be anyone I wanted to be. Turns out identity theft is a crime. You can't do that. Oh my, 174.49 on GameStop, up 90 cents. Bama Babe, are you driving? Be careful. Bruce Bingo continues after trading hours. Then buy and hold will be clean for the weekend. Drunk trivia. Oh no. 4.3 million volume. Not much going on. Shall we do drinking trivia tonight? Don't forget to drink your water, Bruce. You need to go. You need to be healthy. Don't get dehydrated. Free thinker. I burned through about $160 worth of oil so far. Thanks, guys. Now I'm starving. Let's see. TWB should invite Texas. He might win trivia tonight. Let's see. Okay, I'm at home. That's so sweet for carrying. Thank you, Robert. Just donation came in. Another donation just came in on PayPal. Let's see what this one is. Hang on here. There we go. Trying to get this up to speed here. Oh my gosh. Robert, thank you for your donation. Thank you from Robert. Let's see here. Tell the chat, shots fired, laugh out loud from Carrollton, Texas. Robert Casalius, thank you. $113. Thank you so much, Robert. Appreciate that. That's awesome, you guys. Thank you. Oh, man. Thank you. Double checking. 117 there. Alrighty, moving on here. Where am I? Over to here on this stream. Wake up, you beautiful beast. Liz, just kidding. Let's see. Isn't this what we're doing right now? That looked like a carafe, Bruce. You sure? That's Diet Coke. This is it right here. Thank you, everybody. Mama Babe is drinking and driving. Bruce, clean. I can understand it. Sometimes it's hard to wait for another hit of the Bruce. Thank you, guys. Let's see here. I want to try the trivia. I have to enroll sub for traveling. Traveling with Bruce, you got to become a sponsor member over there. Laughing out loud. Roll one, showing the other, Bruce. Just do it that way. That's my other name. Michael says my other name. Laughing out loud. Jane Obama Babe. Take aspirin before you pass out tonight. Everything went into my red stocks wizard. My calls on mic printed. I am drinking and attempting to text. Drunken followers. Yes, we are. Three Thinker Top 5. Been fun. I gotta go. Be safe, peeps, says Waffle Raptor. We're coming in the last 24 minutes of the show, and I'm running out of energy. Ashley, you're killing me, man. Bruce, Bruce, just joined here. Is this normal? Very happy for you. Excited for next week. Cheers, Jethro, bro. Thank you, buddy. It's a fun one tonight. What can I tell you? Best bet. Original Gangsta Bagel Bruce. Liz, laughing out loud. Me too. Bama Babe, and a great job you're doing. I'm still typing correctly. Uncle Bruce, Gold Bagel Pimp. Jethro, bro, we love you. We will be part of the donation war once we reach the moon. Olivia Munn, Free Thinker McJones equals Exxon. Yeah, this chat must be fun. It's something. 5 p.m. bedtime. Nice. Where are the winners in trivia tonight? There's winners in trivia. Later Waffle, gold bagel encrusted with diamonds. Y'all with those $100 donations making us all drink and then take another shot. Free Thinker laughing out loud. Drew, till dropped Uncle Bruce like a bad habit till we go to the moon. Unbelievable or inconceivable, Princess Bride. And the Golden Bagel Award goes to, yes, let's see here. Oh, no, Bama Babe. Let's see. Gosh. Oh, you guys. It's probably financial sound advice for me to sub to Uncle Bruce's traveling channel instead of the end of the day auction. I'm laughing that Google has stopped them from donating, thinking it's wrong. The price is wrong. That one was from me as well. Oh man, Texas. Bama Bay. I'm about ready to do a lap dance. A wizard. You have to be 21 and over to be in here. What was GameStop attacked today again? Getting a bit tired of the hedgies laying tricks now. Nothing worse than looking at an empty grinder. My gosh, guys, thank you. The shots are fired. Oh, my gosh. Over here, just let me kind of get through here. There we go. GameStop, 174.40, up 82 cents. JJ, Stock Wars with Bruce, come on. How much do you love us on the Discord server right now? Come on, show us in the Discord love. I wish I knew how to do that. Michael, sippy sip. This is my first time drinking. I can't see. Thank you, everybody, for your donations. So appreciate all of you picking up these items on RedBubble. I appreciate that, too. Love that. Thank you, everybody. Woohoo! Bama Babe, without giving us numbers, what are you making off YouTube than you did in your career? I feel like making stocks and analysis accessible to the public should come with a hefty reward. Well, this YouTube channel has done rather well for me, I have to admit, but it's so early. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't know when you guys are going to just walk away from me and say, I've had enough of this guy. It's just in constant flux right now. And I just never know day to day, week to week, what's going to happen. It's just unbelievable. I get up at 3 a.m. every day and just get out here and get ready to go and just give it. And then on weekends, I try to do the one-on-ones as best I can. And I'm just working with no time off since January. D. Gray, I'd better make sure that wasn't caffeine. YouTube blocked my donation, so had to PayPal. Texas says, "Thank you, Texas." Wizard Owls, I got dollar bills. What's the Discord? Wizard Owl 4300. I'm good. Angela, you sure? Okay, maybe I'll save money by being a sub on both. YouTube blocked my donation, so I had to PayPal, says Texas. I love drinking at work. Everyone drinking water, and I don't text with X. I don't have Discord. Is there a Twitter or Reddit? Wizard Owls, they must be $100 bills. John can be there. Let's be honest, we never change. 43 Club. Let's see, where am I? All these comments are flying through so fast. I'm trying to get through them all. Oh my gosh, here we go. Okay, 43 Club, where are we now? Shoot, I need to catch up. Alex, thank you for the $4.99 donation. I appreciate it. Bama Babe, the second song I will. Yeah, baby. Thomas, that's the Discord. How the heck do you find most beautiful women is beyond me. Angela, we've been washing off Uncle Bruce. TV. There's something for Discord there. I don't know if that works or not. Free Thinker, John Van, soak it under rubbing alcohol for a while and then let the alcohol evaporate, scrape up the sludge, and get your head back into the game. Buy and hold is so funny. Who's the lead and what's the total? Who's in the lead and what's the total? Uncle Bruce, help me. What have I done? Alex, AMC 1002, 26,000 calls are in the money. Boy, it needs all the help it can get. Justin Lane, Bama Babe is cracking me up. We're going to lap that. This is sweet. Any advice on the hangover cures? 201 is the highest. I think it's 352. Guys, Uncle B in Canada, drinking age is 19 BC. Oh, no. Get a pint. Ashley, yes. Damn day drinking and shots. Let's see how long I stay awake. Thanks. Best bet. I feel your pain. Dang it. One more Nor shot. Can anyone beat the 201? God dang it. We have a DD for in and out run. We got to do an in and out run. Sippy technology is fascinating. I want a burger. Let's see. I start to go sleeping at days like today on GameStop. The hedgy strategy is really lame. Actually, sometimes the cryptos keeps me awake. Next time we do this, we all have to do it using Mickey's big mouth. Mikey's big mouth. Who's in the lead? I think it's 352, but it could be Texas at 400, something like that. It's up there. It's up there. Jay Gunn, I know. I'm here for the long-term SPACs included. I'll wait till it's done. Last man standing wins. Deal, haha. What time do you go to sleep? My view, the longevity of this channel hangs either on these SPACs or more Lotta stories. I'm here for either one. I think Austin is winning. I hope the cruise ship is prepared for Uncle Bruce Stock Day drinking show. Oh, no. The bars will be stocked up. Uncle Bruce is working. Thank Uncle Bruce. No way, says Colin Dangerously. Afternoon show like this, keeping it fun. Challenge accepted. I am too emotionally invested to just walk away. Never text, laughing out loud. 174.50 and going to climb. Just wait. Monday, 215. 174.65 right now. Sound advice. Laughing out loud. Bruce is making bank now. You know how we want to change. Thank you for the updates and thank you for all the comments. We cannot post links in that chat. Bruce, more like most rather than people. Nice done. If those were who leave and would thumb up before going, it would be great. D. Gray, thanks for the thumbs ups today, guys. It would only get worse if GameStop moves. I'm from Vegas. Buy and hold. Ashley, you never know. What did Texas give you in PayPal? I think you missed it. He did 117 on PayPal. He did about 350 or something over here. It's or 300 or something. It is substantial. I'd like to be a Beatle, laughing out loud. So the money ends. Vegas Casino. What else is going on here? Bruce, treat yourself to a really nice chair after today. I'm going to get a nice chair. In all seriousness, one more shot, laughing out loud. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Thank you. Woohoo, Cody. Thank you. Now is allowed to buy alcohol after 20 because of COVID here. It's crazy. For those paying the game, make sure you put your head in the rice overnight to help dry it out. In and Out had something. To Colin Dangerously, your avatar, I just noticed. Hang on. Where am I? Oh, here we go. Stocks with Bruce. Bruce, drunken emails to co-workers and the boss, bad ideas. Heard it from a friend. J. Ray, what a booster. Sound advice. I would love to see Uncle Bruce in the new chair on Monday. Is that going to happen that fast? Listening to Bruce is killing me, laughing out loud, says John Van. Laughing out loud, buy and hold. Once upon a time, I turned 200 into 30 grand in Vegas. They hated me. Imagine if I did something like that with stock market volumes. Angela, well, if you make sure to stock up on Pedalite, everybody. I'm dying laughing right now. Best group of apes ever. Angela says, Rabbit $4.99. Thank you. Okay, guys, get over your overtime donations. Bruce is going over for us. May not be 200, but it's something. And Rabbit, I thank you very much for this $4.99 donation. Any donation is great. What do you call a fake noodle? Impasta. All right, Uncle Bruce, you have found a need for us, U.S. investors. I think you will do well as long as you can stay yourself and genuine. Can't wait to join this game after GameStop pops. D Gray, me too. Texas spend more money on some people in Germany earn after a 10-hour work job. More drinking. Thanks, Mr. and Mrs. Super Chat. I'm speaking far too much as D Gray. Rabbit, good dude, still deserve it. Dang, thanks. Thumbs ups for Bruce. Drew, $5 Super Chat. Cheers. Thank you, Drew, for that. Thank you very much. Dang, thumbs ups. You mean I'm not on the moon where I am right now? I guess Texas wins. I better see you on Herman Miller. I want a refund. I don't think I can play big bucks with a little bank in Texas. Do you really want all these drunkards at your trivia? Slippery slip, Bruce, super sip time. Michael, best chairs. There you go. When are you getting an auctioneer gavel? Angie can afford this. What time is traveling with trivia? To 7 o'clock Eastern on traveling with Bruce. New rule: every time Bruce says GameStop, drink. GameStop, drink. GameStop, drink. Oh no, Cody Mills agreed. What you sipping on the stock markets with Bruce? This is a caffeine-free Diet Coke. GameStop. Caffeine-free Diet Coke, GameStop. It's my green bagel day. We all knew Bruce will only buy a chair at Costco. Hey, guys, what did I miss? Gotta run, you guys. Colin says, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks for the fun, Bruce. Thank you, Colin Dangerously, so much. I'm getting ahead on Friday. Box of wine equals instant hangover. Buy and hold. I've never come home from Vegas. I had when we get crazy with money, nothing else matters. John Van, it's so quiet in the house. Is Jen in the back drinking, yelling financial feminism? Is she yelling financial feminism? Keyword, way to go, Rabbit. John Clancy, what did Mushroom say to the tomato? Hey, I'm a fun guy. At least I'm neutral. Oh my. Hey, fall asleep literally and figuratively. Wowzer. Angela, thank you, Angela, for this donation. All you apes, love you guys. Thanks for a fun Friday. Cheers to you all. Thank you, Angela. We are just about to shut this thing down. I got 12 minutes to go. John Clancy, oh my. Drew, nice, laughing out loud. Who do you hang out with? Uncle Bruce. Look him up. All right, I'm out. Good night. Have a good weekend all. From Mr. Kiwi's Natural, a cheap CBD website shot. I guess to make a first watch with trivia. Cheers. Thank you, Splitter TV, for being here. Jonathan and Stephanie, you should also look at Hag chairs, but make sure you can test one before buying. You're not coming home then? Thanks, Angela. Angela's loving it. SBR6, $10. Cheers to you, Bruce. Thank you so much, SB. Charlie Lee, thank you. Thanks, Bruce, for your knowledge. Charles Lee, thank you for your donation tonight. We're getting a new chair. For sure. So in 5 hours, trivia starts? No, it starts in 2 hours and 12 minutes. It starts in like 7 o'clock Eastern. 7 o'clock Eastern. What is it now? 4:49 Eastern. So 2 hours and 11 minutes. I start with trivia. JJ Gunn, damn it. See you, Colin. Bye, Colin. JJ Gunn. Right. Please, no more $100 donations. Please, no, Bama Babe. If I knew then what I knew now. Later, Mr. Dangerously. Colin, have a great weekend. Be safe, Colin. Love you, dude. Stockmores with Bruce, we love you. And Jen, your patience and resilience with the weird this week is inspiring. Keep being awesome. Happy Friday. Bruce, have you ever been to Wreck Beach? I don't think so. Bama Babe, observe thyself, says Bama Babe. I absolutely love this YouTube YouTube group. Bama Babe says, killing me, Angela, you're killing me. Somebody fortunate, if somebody phone it. Someone donate $100, says Angela. That's someone phonate $100. Pardon me, do you have any great poupon? Angela's laughing. It ain't 25 anymore. Gotta start dinner. Catch you later, KN. Here's $9.99. Thank you, KN, for this donation. I appreciate it. Oh my God. This is crazy. Have a great weekend from Jane, killing us softly. What time is it? What time's trivia? I just joined 7 o'clock Eastern on Traveling with Bruce. Observe thyself. I think we could be good friends. Power nap, then trivia. 2 hours, 10 minutes. Oh no. Bama Babe, you're freaking hilarious. Laughing all it isn't. I'm just. It isn't over OT. I'm just drunk. Observe thyself. $49.99. Ken Griffin is paying for this. Didn't even want to make drink anymore. Thank you, Ken Griffin. Best bet, you need a bouncer for your trivia show. Oh, that past midnight here. I can't stay up past that. Same time as the NFL draft. D. Gray, $25 donation. Thank you so much, T. Gray. You're unbelievable. I appreciate it. Colin, get a damn haircut. You'll block the sun. I've been too weak. Love you, Bruce from Reddit. I'm done, says D. Gray. JJ, laughing my ass off. You got to be kidding me. Not enough $100 donations. Do you have any great poupon? Salon Soccer, $500 donation. Bruce, you are the best. Thanks. Also from Texas, $500 donation on Super Chat. The number one by far, all by himself donation. So in first place, undisputed. Thank you so much. Unbelievable. You guys have made my Friday a hell of a day, I'll tell you that. We got 8 minutes to go, and it's unbelievable, Sal. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for a fun week, Bruce. Have a great week. And Jesse, thank you. Jade, woohoo, holy moly, Texas, big winner. Free Thinker saying, Liz, wow, Drew, holy moly, wow, oh my God, thank you so much. That, what the hell? I tap F? No. What in the hay? Cheers to all of you from Stock Markets with Bruce. Uncle Bruce is just blown away. There's a new chair in stock in this future, in Uncle Bruce's future. Holy Moses! $500 super chat. JJ Gunn. Go dang. That's right. Gasp. Holy crap. Laughing out loud. Thank you, all of you guys. Unbelievable. I cannot keep up with these comments. Bruce, here's enough to get 10 GameStop shares and lift off with us. That's a good way to end the Friday. 5 drinks. Wow. Faints. That is the way. I can't even make the stupid super chat. Send girl power here. Oh, wow. $500. Oh, wow. Undisputed. Holy moly. Anything for Salinas. Jesus, help my hangover and take the wheel. Not driving. Oh, Michael says that's nice. We're bowing, sir. We're bowing. Laugh out loud funny. You guys are awesome. Great group. Thank you, everybody. Dollars. Wow. Order that chair. Whoop, whoop. Texas comes through in the last 9 minutes. Rocks ready. Moon, Texas, Salinas Soccer, 500 buckaroos. Wow. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Hi, Bruce. Could not watch today, but I thought I'd pop on and say have a great weekend. True. Thanks, everyone, for helping Uncle B get that great new chair. Custom bagel chair. I have to be honest, I am drunk, says Bama Babe. That's a drink, says Buy and Hold. Woohoo! Bruce is so deserving of all these donations. Order the chair from GameStop on screen, Bruce. If it means donations like this, there will be a new show, Drinking with Bruce. Jesus, I knew I was a piker. Now I'm sure. Good God, Uncle Bruce, that's going to be one hell of a chair. That about 3 GameStop shares right there. Yay, new chair on Monday. Cheers, everybody. Thank you so much, guys. I don't know why I'm putting the Tito's bottle back in the freezer. May as well keep it out, says Angela. DE, I wish we could all do that maybe next week. Texas always goes big or go home. Thank you from Robert. Oh, my gosh. Robert from Texas is doing it again. Donation through PayPal just came in here. Just popped in here. Let's double check this. Oh my God, there it comes right there. Another 117, another 100 US. That makes 5 something from Texas, says Robert Casillas. That might be a tie between the two of these two Texans. These two Texans may have just tied each other with one with donation after donation after donation, and this big one right here. I think we have 2 $500 donators today on Super Chat and through PayPal. Thank you guys so much for that. I'm having trouble keeping up with all these comments. Unbelievable. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Was this a chair telethon? How about a donation of 5 of GameStop chairs to take the lead? I'm confused. I picked a bad day to stop sniffing glue. Ashley, oh my, what moon? Let me just say you'll have to go to Disneyland for $500. Bruce Squeeze, I must prepare my body for trivia. You should have enough now for a chair for Jen too. We love Bruce and Jen, our fellow apes. Angel, just keep it going. Observers says sell chairs, Bruce. I now want to start my own show. It'll be called Lack of Knowledge with Dan. Buy and hold in and out will help. Drinking with Bruce. I approve this message. The thumbs ups, friends. It's from DE Angela, Charles Lee. Yep, Texas goes big for sure. $5,000. I need to start a channel. JJ, that is the way. Observe Texas. You are wild. Damn it, DE. Observe thyself. Wow. Damn, Tex says, does Grubhub or someone deliver in and out? Am I doing it right, says Texas. Oh, you're doing it right. It's coming through, Texas. It's coming through. Best bet, laughing out loud, degree. Yep. Bama Babe, Bruce has tapped into a cash cow, laughing out loud. It gets wild in Texas. If you could just get in and out, he'd be so happy. If I could just get in and out, I'd be thrilled. Funniest thing is we got tipsy on pretty much only one rule. Me and my friend, no, I can't go to lunch. I have this thing. Oh, it's this YouTube show. Well, we have this game we're going to play. I mean, it's a drinking game. Well, you don't have to. Of course I'm going to. Power game on Fridays. I tried to donate another $200, but Super Chat won't let me laugh out loud. I can't let Texas win out. You're going to have to do it through the PayPal channel. I would prefer PayPal donations anyway. I get more of the money. I get 96% of the money versus 70% of the money. So Super Chats are even more appreciated. Thank you all so much. You guys are just so incredible. I cannot believe it. Thank you all so much. Unbelievable. Who are you donating to? Uncle Bruce, Lava Loud, Daniel, just a little. We're just missing drinking. We're just missing drinking in person. I can't hang, guys. I'm just sitting here laughing. Have a great weekend. Thank you, everybody. You're glad we're taking. We're talking. You're glad we're talking sense, Bruce. You can't get drunk when he's having to keep up with our drunk chats. Okay, I'm going to throw it out there. This should be every Friday power hour. I guess Texas will stop on Bruce's world tour. Yeah, well, drink an entire drink for every Super Chat over 100. What the hey? Texas game out loud. A mom of 6 here. Buy and hold. Wait for the cruise. Holy crap, I need YouTube. I need to do YouTube. Drew, we are donating you that Tesla once we reach the moon, Uncle B. That chair is just a warm-up. Don't use my name, and I will. Okay, fair enough. Michael. Laugh out. Observe. You didn't even have to pay attention to the other rules. Observe thyself. I'm heading straight for the South Fork Ranch. Rabbit, my hangover is blamed on you, laugh out loud. It's all good, though. Uncle Bruce is going to the furniture store tonight. Happy hour with Bruce. Oh, my gosh. Thyself, I should see an estate lawyer before I start the Bruce World Tour cruises. I know. John Van will subscribe. Citadel and Melvin should start a drinking game to bail themselves out. You know, when we're having a power hour, Angela, no, it's Sal's fault. Sal started it. Buy an In-N-Out franchise from Creston. As soon as the stream ends, going to hit up Goody and get a bottle of Jack. Down to the last 2 minutes of this show. This power hour is almost over. Getting the last 2 minutes in. Laughing out loud. Damn you, Sal. Oh, my gosh. Sal, $500 donation on PayPal. Texas with over $500 in donations between PayPal and PayPal and Super Chat. Unbelievable. Sal on Super Chat. Everyone else, unbelievable. Thank you, guys. I got my second vaccine yesterday. Woke up feeling hungover this morning. Wish I didn't feel so bad. I could join the game maybe next week. Bama Babe, I'm feeling so good. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Thank you, Bama Babe. Sal's laughing out loud. Agreed. So good for all of this. I feel like D. Gray's Avatar, Texas is a good plan. I'm laughing. Michael, suddenly on the PayPal name will be Melvin. That could trigger anybody. Nice job, people supporting the Bruce. May I call you OT? Hey, Bruce, I was forgotten, but there was $20 shout-outs. Just saying. John Van, thank you. Thank you. Hit the thumbs ups, everybody. Texas, bring the bottle of Jack to the Discord. Bama, babe, going to be sleeping well tonight. Scepter, laughing out loud. Damn, today was a good day. Thank you, everybody. Chug it, eh? Wow, man. Oh, man. All right, have a great weekend, everybody. Yep, bye, Splendor. I insist on philosophizing when I know we lose money. Thank you, everybody, so much. Also for these super chats, you guys are unreal. The PayPal donations, unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you for the message, Sal. Thank you for your message. I appreciate it. I'm just reading it now. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are unbelievable. Both Sals for the win. I wonder how much it'll be for Bruce Chugs it. Observe those. Bye, everybody. Have a good one, everybody. We'll see you at 7 o'clock Eastern if you dare to Traveling with Bruce for Traveling with Bruce trivia at 7 o'clock Eastern time. Bruce loses half of his subscribers to alcohol poisoning. Observation is precious. You sneaky butta nee. You deserve it, Bruce. Thank you, guys. Home runs happening in Texas. Thanks, Uncle Bruce and Andy Jen. Monday is coming. Cheers, Shades. To the moon. GameStop. Cody Miles. Diane here. D. Great. What? Observe thyself. Thyself is priceless. Cody, on the other half, can't afford to subscribe anymore. I'm a friend. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks, guys. Thank Uncle Bruce. Bama, Wizard, everybody. Thank you. Angela, Cody Miles, we're old enough to know how not to kill ourselves. Got to wait for the tendies. Oh, man, we don't need Bruce to be drunk. Cody, having a great weekend. Have a great weekend, everybody. Oh, my gosh. It's so much fun. Bye, everybody. Love all around. What happened? I left for 45 minutes. What's going on here? Half will pass out before trivia. Come back to us. Loving it. Angela, thank you. Even when I have indulged ninth in game, I still love YouTuber. Dawn, you missed the drinking game. The Bagel Fam, thank you. Thanks, Bruce, and everyone for the great afternoon. Jay McLeod, bye, everybody. Oh, there it is. 2 hours. We're done. I got to shut her down. Thank you, everybody. I'm exhausted. I got to get some rest for 2 hours before the trivia game on Traveling with Bruce. Thank you all so much for all these donations. Unbelievable. Cody, I'm naked. See, I love all you beautiful people. Thanks for putting up with us. Thank you. Neat. Dan Hammer, it was quite crazy. And the last thing in my life is a drinking game. 651 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for the emojis. Here goes some neat emojis right there. Thank you, all of you guys. What a day. Unbelievable. All right, we'll see you at 7 o'clock on Traveling with Bruce. Otherwise, I'll see you Monday morning right here. Oh, I love all the people in this channel. Damn you. Yeah, see you guys on Discord. Neat is what it is. Oh, nothing like getting drunk with your favorite uncle. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Jade. Thank you. We love you, Bruce. Jay Gunn. Thanks, guys. I'm out of here. I'm going. I'm saying goodbye. I mean it. I'm trying to say goodbye to you guys. Clothes are overrated anyway. Thumbs ups and hearts. Drink nice attack. Okay, that's it. I'm shutting it down. That's it. I'm shutting it down.